everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn dynamic column selection for a chart in Excel. If you see, we have selected West over here and we have the data for departments and the regions. So we have the headcount details. Since I have selected West, it shows me the data for West. If I go here and select North, the data automatically changes and gives me the North details. And let's do East. It's giving me East details. So it's a completely dynamic chart. We have used offset to achieve this functionality. If you want to learn more about offset, please refer to the description box and the card for further details. So let's go ahead and create this chart. This is our data set. First, we go and create a drop down for the regions. So this is our regions. So I am going and selecting this. Let us select our region. Now the first step what you need to do is we need to find out which column which we want. This will remain constant for everyone. Only this column will change. So let's use the offset to achieve that. We will say offset and we'll start from sales. So that is the A3 column. We don't want to go down across any rows. We want to remain here itself. So we say stay here itself. Then we say 0 so that we don't go across any rows. Now the next is how many columns you want to go across. We want to the column where this south is written because we have selected south. That is the second one over here. So we will use match. We will say match this particular value in this particular range and return me the exact value. So we use 0 over here and we have moved across the particular column. The next is the height. Height is the number of rows which we have. We have 5 rows over here for every column. So we say 5. And it's a single column, so the width would be 1. And just close it. So if you see, we get the value of south, which is 466, 469, 378, 357, and 342. I'll run you through the formula once again. We say offset, we start from here. We say do not go down any rows, stay over here. Then we tell it find south in this. So we use the match for that. And once it finds the south, go 5 rows down and then go one additional column. So that is you go 5 rows down and then you go this column, 1 column in the south. So we get this data. Now if you see this data point is here, so let's go ahead and do the same and create our chart. So what you do is first you will select this, go to formula, go to name manager, new, and here just copy this and say region details and say OK. So if you see, if you select this, it is selecting only the south details. Now just go here and just select any one column and create a normal chart. Just delete it. Just delete it. Just go here, make it bold. Add data labels and go here, format data series and just put a color for the time being. Now this data label which we have, we want a dynamic label which is saying what region it is referring to. So we say is equal to, just a minute, say is equal to, you refer this cell, you do ampersand, you give a space, then you say region head count. So you can write whatever you require. So if you see, South region head count is given over here. We have an extra space, so just remove this. Now just go here and refer the data. If you see, we have written South, but we are still referring to the North detail. You see, 341 is the North. How do we achieve the South? So we select our data, go to chart design and say select data. So if you see here, where North is written, we do edit. And here, where series value, we delete after the exclamation point. And then we press F3 and we use the region details which we have selected. And we say OK. So now you see we have got our South details. We would need to add data labels for each of the series because we had just selected North and added data labels for them. We have to do it for each and every series. So for example, for South, I have created, just give it any color. North is this color, South is this color. Let's do for East. East, once again, give your particular color which you want. Add data labels. So I'm just not formatting it much. And let's do it for West also. Add data labels and give it, sorry, the series you need to give a color. Let me just select the series. And I've just given random colors. Okay. So what we did is we selected the chart, we went to chart design, we said select data, and here we edited it, and here in the series value we have deleted post the exclamation point and added the name range. So if you see right now it's showing us West details. 591, 553, 398, 591, 553, 398. Let us change the series. You see South, it is 466, 469, 378. Let's see for North also. It's showing 341, 507. So in this way, you can create a dynamic column selection. We have seen earlier charts of seeing the last 3 months data, last 5 months data, the first 3 months data using offset. This is another example of using the offset to achieve a dynamic selection. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.